Hi and welcome to day 2 of my recent trip with Isabel up into the Pyrenees. The weather forecast was saying rain for later, so we decided to take a day trip about 40 minutes drive away to a place called Mina, Victoria, which is about a 40-minute drive in a little town called Aras de Sus. It's also called Mina Margalida, and it's famous for zinc mining back at the beginning of the 20th century. The lake, beautiful views over to the Pyrenees as you can see, and then we took a walk about 400 meters down through some beautiful woodland here with all the moss covering the woodland, and when we bit of a hike back to the lake where we stopped and had a bit of lunch. So what I'll do is I'll just put some music over the top of this, and there's a little bit of drone footage at the end, and then I'll come back and speak to you later. Enjoy.
Veure aquest tram és que em sembla preciós.
So day 2 again was forecast for some rain. So we stayed locally. This is just near where we were staying in Les, and we headed up to the castle, which has just been refurbished after quite a few years. So just took in the sights and took a bit of drone footage, which you'll see in a moment. So enjoy.